I got this question from Uskor, and I know a lot of folks are struggling with the same thing. Hi Øyvind, I know what a resistor is, I know what a capacitor and a transistor is, but I cannot combine and create meaningful circuits that serve a specific purpose. I cannot even create a schematic for a circuit more complicated than a switch to turn on and off an LED. What should I do? Great question, easy solution. Find basic circuits with those components and build them. Try to understand why the circuit behaves like it does. For example, capacitor circuits, try finding circuits that can fade in or fade out an LED, or maybe make the LED turn on after a delay. Try different capacitor values and see what happens. Same with the transistor. Find basic transistor circuits where the transistor is used as a switch and experiment. You don't need to draw these circuits from scratch. A good course or a beginner book should have these circuits prepared for you. Once you built and understood a few of these basic circuits, you'll start getting a better feel for how they work and how these components behave in a circuit. And now's the time to try to combine these different concepts from the different components. Like try to use the capacitor in a transistor circuit to make the transistor turn on after a delay. Or maybe make the transistor stay on after you push the button for a couple of seconds before it automatically turns off. And keep expanding like this. Learn about more concepts, try to take the concepts from that type of circuit and join with the concepts of that type of circuit, and little by little you'll become better at designing circuits. So there's really no magic pill here, just lots of practice, experimentation, and a lot of fun. So make sure you don't just read about these types of concepts, make sure you build them and get it into your fingertips and understand how these concepts, these components and these circuit concepts work. This is the methodology that we use over at Ohmify if you want to learn electronics from scratch. Practical understanding, experimentation, and learning by doing instead of just memorizing. If you're interested in learning more about our courses, check out ohmify.com.